the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Our last Rasul, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our last Rasul, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is a role model for the whole mankind. Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khataman Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a complete example of kindness and generosity in all of his interactions. Life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaches us several lessons about how we must treat our companions. Once, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a slave crying as he was grinding flour in a mill. The mill was driven by hands and required a lot of power. When our last Rasul, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saw the slave crying, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stopped there and asked him the reason. The slave told him that he was suffering from fever. He did not have enough strength to run the mill properly. The master of the slave was a harsh and cruel man. The slave was afraid of his master, who would punish him if his work was left incomplete. When Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him in pain, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stepped forward and ground all the grains for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the slave, "Always call me if you have any grain to grind. I will do it for you." Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked to do his own work. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha reported that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would spend his time in mending shoes, sewing patches, and milking the goat. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved everyone equally and enjoyed spending time at home. We should follow the teachings of our Rasul, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and must prefer the needs and sentiments of our families, neighbors, and friends. If we are kind and generous in our dealings, we will be able to bring happiness and peace in our society.